A very good question. Ready? So listen, Bale and Yale are equal partners of a firm. They decide to dissolve their partnership on 31st March 2019, at which date their balance sheet stood as follows. So capitals are given, general reserve, loan by Bale, it means loan account will be prepared. Creditors, building, machinery, furniture, debtor, stock and bank. It means everything we will transacted through bank. So let's see the adjustment. The assets realized were stock 22, debtor 75, machinery 16 and building 35. Yale took over furniture at rupees 9,000. Bale agreed to accept 2,500 in the settlement of his loan account. Okay. And dissolution expenses were 2,500. What to do? Prepare a realization account, capital account, loan account and bank account. Okay, dear children. So let's start with realization account. First, we prepare realization account. All assets are transferred in the debit side. So to assets, isn't it? Just a minute. To sundry assets. Building, machinery, furniture, debtors. Building, machinery, furniture, debtors. Okay. 45, 15, 12, 8. 45, 15, 12, 8 and stock is also given 24,000. Stock is also given 24,000. Let's do the total. 45 plus 15, 60, 70, 80, 104. 1,04,000. Okay, dear children, let's come on liability side. How many liabilities are given? So here only one liability which is given, that is creditor external liability. So we can directly write by creditors. How much? 14,000. Now what to do? Now children, we will pay. We will sell the assets. So stock realized, debtors realized, here it is mentioned. So we write by bank account. Okay. So here stock 22, debtor 7,500. Stock, how much is received? 22,000. From debtors, how much is received? 7,500. From machinery 16 and from building 35. From machinery 16 and building 35,000. Okay, so let us do the total. 35,000, 16, 22 and 7,500. It is 80,500. I hope it is correct, isn't it? Now Yale took over furniture at 9,000. So Yale has to give by Yale's capital account for 9,000 rupees. So we can write in bracket Yale has taken furniture for 9,000 rupees. Okay, Bale agreed to accept 2,500 in settlement of his loan account and dissolution expenses were 2,500. Okay, dissolution expenses were 2,500. So we write in debit side to bank. Under to bank this creditor. Nothing is mentioned in the adjustment about creditors, but still external liability has to pay. So creditors 16, 14,000 and dissolution expenses are mentioned here 2,500. Dissolution expenses 2,500. So 16,500. Okay, and the one point is left, that is Bales agreed to accept 2,500 in settlement of his loan account. Children, whenever any point is mentioned about loan in the adjustment, always prepare loan account. So let's prepare Bales loan account first. So how much loan is given? Loan by Bale 3,000. It's a liability. So loan by Bale account. So by balance brought down. It is given 3,000. So 3,000. And here it is mentioned Bale agreed to accept 2,500. So Bale has accepted how much? 2,500. So we have paid, firm has paid actually 2,500 to Bale. So how much is left? How much is left? 500 is left. So where do we transfer this 500? To realization account. Is that clear to everyone? This 500 is transferred to realization account. Which side? From here it will go to the credit side. What we write? By Bale's loan account 500. I hope this point is clear to everyone. From here this 500 is transferred to here. There's 500. Okay. All points are over, dear children. All adjustments are over. Building assets. Fine. So let's do the total. Let's do the total of 1 lakh 4 and 16. 1 lakh 20,500. I hope the total of debit side is more. Yes. 1 lakh 20,500. And let me take out the difference. 14,500. It will be 16,500. So balance is remaining in credit side. When balance is remaining in credit side, it is loss. So by loss on dissolution, transfer to partners capital account. Okay. So their ratio is not given. Also given, it is equal. It means their ratio is 1:1. So this 16,500 is to be distributed to Bale's capital and Yale's capital. Bale's capital and Yale's capital. How much? 8,250, 8,250. So I hope realization account is clear to everyone. Yes, children, and loan account is prepared. Now today we are going to prepare partners capital account. Okay. What is the difference in partners capital account at the time of dissolution? Only the balance is transferred to bank account. This is what the difference is. Everything rest of the things are same. So let's start by partners capital account. By balance brought down. Let's see the capital of partner Bale 50,000, 40,000. Okay. Now see general reserve is given 8,000. By general reserve distributed in old ratio 1:1, 4,000, 4,000. Okay. Now let's see what is there. Loss is there, na 8,250, 8,250. Yes. To realization account. 8,250 and 8,250. Yes or no? Now you can see, dear children, here it is mentioned in credit side by Yale's capital is written. Yes or no? By Yale's capital. It means Yale's capital must be debited by 9,000 for furniture. Okay. So Yale's capital account will be debited by 9,000 for furniture. We write here to realization account for furniture. 9,000 is debited. Okay. Let's see. Everything is over. Do the total. So here it will come 54,000. Here it will come 44,000. So 54,000 and 44,000. Now this is what the change from retirement, admission and death, because whatever balance will come in the partner's capital account at the time of dissolution is transferred to bank account. Is that clear? This is what the change. So let us calculate what is the difference. 54,000 minus 8,250. It would be 45,750. And 44,000 minus 9,000 minus 8,250, 26,750. Where these 2 points will go, this balance will transferred in bank account. This is what the final step. Is that clear, dear children? Now let us prepare bank account. So let's see what is the balance. Bank account. Bank is an asset, 11,000. It starts from debit side to balance brought down 11,000. Okay, now let's see. This is prepared. We start from realization account. Now you can see in credit side, bank is written here in realization account credit side 80,500. So it will go in debit side. Okay, so it will go in debit side to realization account 80,500. Now once again come in debit side. What is mentioned 16,500. Yes or no? So we write to realization 16,500. Sorry, by realization account 16,500. Okay. Now let's see where it is mentioned. Here it is mentioned bank in Bale's loan account 2,500. Okay. So it will come in credit side by Bale's loan account 2,500. Okay. Now you can see capital account of Bale and Yale. So by Bale's capital account, how much? 45,750. By Yale's capital account, it is transferred here, है ना? 26,750. And the total of both sides must be equal. This is what you need to remember. Now no balance will come. Children, okay, now no balance will come. The total of both sides must be equal. Like here 91,500 and total of this side must be 91,500. So let's do the total. 16,500, 2,500, 45 and 50, 26 and 50. It is 91,500. Correct. So this is how we prepare complete question. Yes, dear children. I hope it is clear to everyone. Realize